wondering where the water's coming from. I had my little girl's kiddie pool. She wanted to have her own little barbecue the other day. I got her a barbecue. It's about 1:30 in the morning, so I got her idling real low right now. But this is her. And I went ahead and I tweaked the back end and hit the fender delete. And so what you can do with the fender delete on these bicycles is, if you are good with a Dremel, you Dremel, you can cut this off and Dremel and sand it real good. And you're just gonna have to run your markers another way. And you can actually use the metal bracket that comes on the tag, on the that comes on the fender. You just have to know how to tweak that thing and put it into place. So I actually used it. So get the fender delete. That damn shit was ugly. But this is her. And like I said, it's about 1:30 in the morning, and I'm about to go charge my phone up, and she just got an oil change. I actually read that on the bike that they prefer you put 15W40 in here, which I never heard of that on a 125cc. I always ran depending on, well, I'm in Georgia, so I always ran 540 or 1040, and so I put the 15W40 in there, and which was not even on, it was hard to find, but she's about to get, I don't finna get my ass whooped tonight on her, or she's about to get her ass whooped, because I'm finna push her to the limit. Like, I got RPM set at about, I was told 1500 is good. And I have never reached the red line since I got it. So that's out of the question. I don't know if I plan on keeping her too much longer. If so, I know that I am going to run a 18T sprocket on the front end. I got some people who put 17s in, and they get up and they stretch out the gears on it, but I'm gonna do a I'm gonna try to put her on an 18 and see how she does, and I'll go from there. But other than that, I don't have no GoPro or nothing like that, so I hope you guys can hear it, because I have Bluetooth headphones on, so I hope you guys can hear this. If I keep her though, I'm gonna definitely probably put my own pipe on her. Got plenty of holes and stuff. Keep that same cat down there, wherever the shit is down there at the bottom. But I'm gonna run some stupid ass shit on her. We'll see. I want everybody to have a good night. I want everybody to stay safe, man. I'll air on her.